Hi, my name is Chris Reno, Marketing Specialist here at American Roller Company, and today we're going to be talking about turnkey solutions. Now, we're going to be speaking with some of our material science engineers about a lot of the different things they've been developing over the last few months. A lot of our customers know what American Roller provides, but may not know that all the solutions that are tailored to them and can help them in their own applications. So today we'd like to show you a few of those developments that our engineers are making that are either available now or going to be in the future. Hope you enjoy this.
Hi, I'm Bruce Heilberg. I'm Research Specialist with American Roller. I've been here for 39 years this June. And I'd like to show you some new equipment that we have in our corporate laboratory for doing metallography. And metallography uses little buttons like this called mounts. And the reason called they're mounts is because we're mounting a sample in epoxy or phenolic or some other material. So I'll give you a quick rundown of how we do that. First of all, we spray the coating in question on a sample block, and then with our precision cutting saw we can chop that into a piece that we can use to mount in epoxy. We pot that into the epoxy sample, and once it's cured we go through a grinding and polishing process, which is very similar to super polishing a roller. We go through stepwise process of different sandpapers and diamond solutions until we get basically down to a mirror finish. Then we can go over to our metallographic microscope, and you can see a picture here of our HVOF coating, tungsten carbide, showing this is the epoxy, the tungsten carbide, and the steel. Notice it's very low in porosity. And then we can measure porosity, we can measure RA to a certain extent. And then we can also measure hardness of the coating with the Vickers hardness tester. So the point of all this is one thing is quality control. We can measure our coatings more precisely now than we could in the past, and more consistently. We can develop parameters for developing certain properties in coatings that we need for products, and so it gives us more control all the way around. Okay, so we have a new product. Chrome, of course, has been used for literally 100 years on rollers, but it has some downsides. It's environmentally a problem. And chrome typically is full of microcracks, so it's not really a good corrosion barrier. Our Chrome Plus product is a thermal spray product, and our thermal spray product that we used to use for chrome replacement in the past was tungsten carbide, which was not really a good replacement for chill rollers because it doesn't have good thermal conductivity. But our new material, which we call Chrome Plus, is also a carbide, but it's not tungsten carbide, and it does have good thermal conductivity. It will not cause the end user to have to slow his line down. In terms of hardness, the coating is very similar to chrome. They're about 68 Rockwell C. Thickness, chrome thickness is typically 3 to 6 mils. Chrome Plus is 10 mils. We can make it thicker. It can be reground if it needs to be, if it's damaged or something. The abrasion resistance is up to 2 times what chrome is. It's much more scratch resistant. Chrome scratches pretty easily, actually, and at that point it has to be repolished or whatever. So there are a number of advantages to our Chrome Plus product.
Hello, my name is Jim Carlson. I'm a senior engineer here at American Roller, and today I'd like to just show you a little bit about a new product line that we're putting into the marketplace to help those with either heating or cooling transfer properties on rubber rolls. I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration as far as the thermal properties of what rubber can be compounded to. We got 2 hockey pucks, both of same size, similarity. The one is a standard silicone roll, weighs in at 202.7 grams, and the other roll weighs in at 402 grams. So what's the difference? Well, the difference is in the compounding And these have been specially compounded for thermal transfer properties, both heating and cooling. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.
Thanks for watching today's Material Science Capital Projects Update. I hope you've learned a few things throughout this video and maybe seen some ways you can solve problems within your own application. If you have any questions regarding what you've seen today, or want to see if American Roller can solve one of your own needs, feel free to contact us online, request a quote, or give us a call. We'll be sure to pick up and we would love to help. Thanks for watching.